Hello to all my friends out there. So, I have to eat dinner. So I have some sausage and I want to make some scrambled eggs and mushrooms. So I have a little bit too much grease, so I want to remove a tiny bit. I need a little bit, but this is a little bit too much. So I use my little dollar package of sausage, half a package. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, here it is. So about 50 cents. So I have to take off a little weight. So I'll just go on a little bit of reducing carbs and sugar. Nothing radical. So I have 2 eggs. And I have some powdered milk because it's showing. It's almost midnight here and it's still hot. The reason it's hot is there's no breeze at all here. It's just miserably hot. I hope everyone is fine if you're living in Northern California or if you're living anywhere where Hurricane Laura might hit. So I bought mushrooms at Walmart. I gotta get some more of these. You can put these in anything and it's good. And then this is why it was bad when I couldn't find the chives. I don't want to chop onions tonight. It's very late. I fried my, I could only find one of these today. I need more. I added a little crushed red pepper to my sausage. And I need a little salt and pepper. So this should be a pretty tasty little low-carb meal for me. And quick and easy, too. So I put my pepper that I bought at Smart and Final in this jar, and it's much better pepper, too. And then I need some salt. Where is my salt? I always have a problem finding the salt and pepper. I'm still doing the minimizing, and it's really hard to do it. The food storage is a big fat mess, and so what I'm doing is I'm packing it up in little boxes. What I like to do on the low-carb diet is I like to go on it for only about 3 days at a time so that I don't get too miserable and out of sorts. And then I go off of it for 4 days, and I pretty much eat anything I want, except this time I probably won't be eating any too much carbs and sugar. I will eat some on the 4 days off. So when I go on these diets, what I like to do is start the diet day at the half meal. So then that way it only seems, it's 3 whole days, but it only seems like 2.5 days because I generally don't eat that much until afternoon anyway. So by starting tonight and then going tomorrow, the next day, on the next day at noon, I'm done with it. And I made some black tea. The fresh brewed is the best. And then I usually like Tabasco with this. So So I bought the eggs today. 18 eggs don't seem to be going up yet. I'm surprised. I don't see the price of groceries, you know, your basic food as the problem. I do see increases, but I'm not seeing big spikes yet in meat and vegetables. Oh, you know what is really bad? Fruit. I bought a bag of oranges and a bag of apples for $5 each, and the potatoes were very expensive at Walmart too. So I can't say. I would say the best thing to do is stockpile canned food if you can. That's why I'm posting the canned food that I'm stockpiling. Okay, so I have some, it could be any kind of cheese, but I just happen to have this. So this is going to be a pretty decent little meal for me. And this is going to get me by until tomorrow without, you know, so I won't be starving. I won't be undoing all my walking. And I really like this, so you know, just because I'm on a diet pretty much, I packed on a lot of weight. It's really, really bad, you guys. So, and today I noticed that in some of the places I went, I wasn't the only one. It's very hard to get outside and move around. So, there you have it. Eggs with mushrooms and cheese and sausage. Don't forget the sausage. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.